Thanks, Marla.
Inner city teens hope to turn their community into a hub for techie innovators, developers, entrepreneurs. Think about Silicon Valley, right here in South LA.
Right.
Watts, South Central.
Gina Silva is live from USC with these talented teens. Gina.
Well, Bob, Liz, it's a group of really inspiring teens. We are here at USC in what is known as the Garage. Big ideas are happening at this place. It's the home to TXT, Teens Exploring Technology, and that's a program that teaches teenagers from low-income communities how to become the change they want to see. They're young, bright, and ready to conquer the world.
My dream is to change South Central Los Angeles, turn it into like the next Silicon Valley, you know?
Teens with big dreams are learning coding in order to create new technology that will better their communities.
Every single one of you here today has the potential to be the next great entrepreneur.
It's a hands-on educational program called TXT, Teens Exploring Technology. It's the brainchild of Oscar Menjivar.
The stereotypes is not who we are. Nationally, people are starting to recognize the talent that exists in communities like South Central Los Angeles.
As a teen, Oscar says he got tired of seeing friends in his Watts neighborhood either end up dead or in prison.
The biggest issue that we have is making sure that no other young black or Latino boy ends up in jail, and that we give them a better future for themselves.
That's where TXT comes into play. Here, kids are staying away from trouble, and they're learning to be leaders, creators, and innovators.
As long as you have the craving and the hunger for learning, this is the program for you.
16-year-old Anthony Ramirez saw a problem in his community.
We saw that there was a huge amount of teen pregnancy rates here and a lot of teen STDs. I worked on a product known as Safe Zone. It's an app that basically, it's meant for teens ages like 14 and 19 and to connect them with a doctor so they can talk about sexual health.
15-year-old Valentino Andrewen is only a sophomore in high school.
Here you can see innovative solutions, quality services.
And he's already created his own company.
I've developed 2 apps and this website.
15-year-old Daniel Ajike.
I'm able to do things that I never thought I could in this program. I'm like a young project manager now.
Is in the process of developing an app for your food leftovers.
It's like you take a picture of it, like a Shazam for food.
The app will give you different ideas and recipes for those leftovers. What's your biggest hope for these kids?
My goal and my life ambition is to change the life of as many kids as I can.
And it's working.
So this is mainly like a huge step for like my family legacy because they're immigrants from Mexico, and so they wanted what's best for my family, and I'm keeping their word. I want to be a role model to let them know that it's still possible to go out of the ghettos or to be out of the poor section of LA.
And Michael Andrewen is the father of one of those boys. First, you must be very proud. Second, how is it changing your son's life?
It's changed his life dramatically. He's gone from being shy and introverted to showing initiative, being more responsible, and knowing that that he can make something happen in his community that has a positive effect on everyone.
And that's the goal of all